Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 69 Lincoln. It's now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth. This comes from Fred's Machine and Fab in Jacksonville, Florida. And obviously Fred has requested the internal FM conversion with Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I got it set to the one strong AM station I receive in my area at the moment.
20 Libertarian Vice Presidential candidate.
So
Jimmy
there's our
Saylor's on,
AM.
Kemp is
Let's
on.
check our
It's game
speakers.
night and hate mail night. So people tend to like both those things because they can gamble
Balance left.
and get really mad at me all at the same
Balance
time.
right.
It's hate mail.
Left.
Yes, every Thursday.
Right.
Personal? A lot of the attacks personal?
Center up.
Personal, yeah.
Do you think
Okay, one thing.
I think my mom...
One thing I forgot to mention is this customer requested that the conversion be wired to his original connectors. So there's only two speaker outputs, therefore we don't have a front rear fader control on this particular radio. Okay, let's go ahead and move over to FM, and I've got all 5 of the station presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test. So to go from AM to FM on this model, we could turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just hit the presets.
Understood forgiveness and grace. He had not been...
Executives.
Oh, trailer park Roman shit.
Was a service at
Yelling for lay back.
Okay, so there's our FM. Let's go ahead and try the 8-track. Oh wait, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into parent mode. But first, let's go back to AM, so that we're not in danger of getting nailed for a popular song.
What have you been wanting to see yourself driving?
Okay, got some Neil Sedaka here.
Inventory out thousands of...
Okay, gonna change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, blank spot there. Alrighty, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the Bluetooth is working properly also because it's trying to pair with a portable audio device. That concludes the test. Everything's working and she's ready to go back. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. And you can reach me through my website in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you, Fred, for your business all the way from Jacksonville, Florida. We'll see you guys next time.